Alright, so today I'm harvesting these little suckers off of my elderberry bush. So hopefully these will grow into new plants after I propagate them. So you always find them right here where the leaf and the stem connect, so it'll be growing up in the center. And it will look like that. Let's see if we can find any more. Over here in the snake bed. Let's tap on the branches so you scare them off. Or at least that's the old way of doing it. That's what my dad used to tell me all the time. He's like, tap on the branches, make as much noise as you can, because the snakes are more scared of you than you are of them. I don't see any more. Might be some way up there, but I'm not going to go up there. I don't want to break the tree. So, alright, I'm going to go take this and plant it. Okay. Here's my little coffee can. And I'm going to make a little hole. And then stick my cutting down in there so that it will propagate. And then you grab your little watering thing. This is hard to do one-handed. Just pour some water. Give them as good of a start as you can. Now with elderberries, they grow better in the shade, or at least partial shade. So you don't want to put them in full sun. Otherwise, they will die. Go ahead and do these down here at the bottom too. And that's that.